how to create Viki account. So if you want to create a Viki account, then what you need to do is you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you've installed the application. So you just need to simply open up the Viki application. After opening, now if you want to create an account, then you just need to simply go with sign up for free, which is on the bottom. And now you can continue with your email, Google, Facebook, or Rakuten. So I'll just simply go with email. Now you need to enter your name and then enter your email address. After that, create a password. And if you want to receive any updates, special offers, and marketing promotions through your email, then you can just click on this one and then create a password and go with next, which is here on the bottom. After tapping on the next, then your account has been created. Now you can go with let's go. And that's it. You can go and skip this part. Go with skip to home page and your account has been created. That's how you can create your Viki account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.